Hey guys, so I was able to go to school and actually make the copies that I did send to y'all. I just took a picture of it and I know it was a bad picture. So I was able to go to school and scan these in, so I did post these on Google Classroom. I will try to send them on Remind. I just don't want to overwhelm everything right now. So I may just post it day by day, but I posted all the packets on Google Classroom, all subjects. And if you have a question about what subjects, you're seen for and what classroom you need to be in, just message me and I will tell you which one you need to be in. But today, this right here, we're going to be talking about 4th grade math, and it's for day 6. So that's the first day after spring break. So, if you have not already, it looks like this. If you can't print it out, that's fine. If you can, just look at it on, look off of the worksheet after you watch this video, or the school is actually going to be making the packets and making it available for parents to come pick it up. I'm not sure when that will happen. I'm assuming by next week, but if just for right now, if you cannot, I'm just posting videos to help you. So today we're going to be talking about a repeated addition, which is also multiplication. So if you look at it up here, we have different columns. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, well, there's 3 of them in each. Okay, so that means the 5 times 3, because there's 5 of each of these and there's 3 in each. So that means 5 times 3. You can count each little square, but I don't really want you to do that. I want you to count by 5s or count by 3s. So I'm going to come over here to my little board that I got, and then I'm going to do a couple with y'all. Oop. Okay, so on that first one, if you look at it, that first one up here, okay, so we have, let me draw it out real quick. So there's 5 and then there's 3 in each. Okay, so that means that there's 3. So if you look down at the bottom or at the top up there, it has the 3. So like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so we could add 3s, and then down below it says 3. No, it says 5 times 3. It says 5 times 3, okay? So we can add by 3s or we can count by 5. So let's add by 3s first, and then we're going to come down here and do the bottom. So 3 plus 3. That is 6. 6 plus 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. So my answer is 15 right here. Now what I'm going to do is this 5 times 3. So I'm going to count by 5s. I'm going to count by fingers until I get to 3. So 5, 10, 15. So, does my answer match? It does. So, that's what you're doing on this, okay? Let's do a couple more. I'm going to do the ones down. I'm going to do 2 down on the bottom because they have, if you look at it, they're blank down here. So you have to figure it out. So I'm going to do a couple with you to show you what you're supposed to do, and it'll help you, okay? So the first one that we are going to do is this one right here. Okay? It's the one under 11 plus 11. So look at that one right here. So let's see. Let's count how many of the boxes that we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for our multiplication, that means that we're going to have 7, at least 7 times something, right? So on this though, we got to count how many is in each little square. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there's 5 in each of them. So what would our multiplication be? It'd be 7 times 5. Okay? So how many boxes was there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of them. And how many was in each one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we're going to write 5. Let's count down here and see how many, or come down here and count how many blanks we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we have 7 blanks, that doesn't mean we're going to write 7 in each of those blanks. We're going to write 5 in each of those blanks because that's what number we have. So I'm going to come up here and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not going to draw the picture up here because it's already up there. I'm just going to do the bottom part, okay? So let's count by 5s or let's add up the 5s until we get to our answer. So 5 plus 5, that's 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. So the answer is 35. Well, let's come down here. We're going to count by 5s because it's kind of difficult to count by 7s. So let's count by 5s until we get to 7, okay? So, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, is our answer the same? Our answer is the same. It is 35. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. Okay, I want to do this one down here. It looks kind of confusing, and I want to do this one, okay? So let's count how many squares we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 squares. So in our multiplication, that would be 8, right? 8 times something. Well, how many shaded pieces is in one of them? There's only 1. So that means that it would be 1, okay? So now let's count how many spaces we have right down here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have 8 and we have 8 boxes, well, how many is in each box? 1. There's only one in each box. So that means that we would put 1 on that line. So 1 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there it is right there. So now let's add them and figure out what our answer is. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So there's my answer. Now we have 8 times 1. We got to figure out what that is. So anything times 1 is what? It's itself. So 8 times 1 will be 8. So is our answers the same? Yes. So that is our answer. Okay, guys, I want you to do the rest of this on your own. It is pretty easy. You just have to fill in those blanks and just look at your pictures that they provide for you, okay? Now, I will be posting this on Google Classroom. It should already be on there, but I'm posting day by day. So just be watching for this, and I will see y'all for the next day tomorrow.